So we start off today's video with this terracotta pot DIY design. Oh, that came out really nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we'd like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone who did a really simple mirror design. I love that star burst effect with the gold. That is so pretty. And then we move right along with this canvas. Beautiful textured art piece there. Very cool. Followed up by this really cool lantern DIY. So she uses some paper here and a cylinder. Now this is a nice, easy project idea you can try. Definitely beginner friendly. And I think it looks really cool. Creates a nice little vibe in the space. Okay, it looks like they're making some type of like decorative tray here. Very cool. Ooh, and then we have this mushroom inspired DIY. So mushrooms were huge like 2 years ago. We're still kind of seeing them in the decor world. Not as popular as they were though. I like how they use an orange peel for the top of the mushroom there. That's pretty cool. Oh, a tiled shelf. That's pretty cool. I don't think I've seen that before. I like the color she uses here. She's got this mint green shade. And then like a nice terracotta brown color. It's a cool idea. Definitely something different. Oh, I like them as table trays. That was cool. So if you guys are feeling inspired by any of these DIY project ideas featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will of course stay up to date on all the latest design trends. Oh, that is a pretty cute base idea. Very cool. I like the textured effect. So then we move on to action. Oh, they made a nice little like table tray. Very cool. A pedestal, table, whatever you want to call it. We all have different names for things. Just saying. That's pretty cool. And then we are back at action. Looks like they're using candle holders for this one. Stacking them together and then doing the spray paint. Okay, this is a nice, easy DIY. Definitely beginner friendly. You're basically upgrading the candle holders. Very cool. So then we move on. This one involves some woodwork, little wooden pieces here. Wouldn't exactly call them popsicle sticks. I'd say that they're just like wooden sticks. Oh, it's a tiered tray. It's a nice little bohemian inspired project. And then there's just like a nice little table tray, one level, followed by this cloud pillow design. Oh, you gotta know how to sew for this one. This is a cute idea. I feel like it's really nice and cozy. Perfect for all ages because your kids will love it. And then you can also, you know, decorate it with yourself. Everyone loves clouds. I feel like clouds are having a moment. And then we have these paper flowers. It always amazes me to watch people working with the paper and turning them into flowers because they look so realistic and pretty. Well, most of the time they do. Sometimes, you know, they look like paper, but I think it's a cool idea. Now, to me, these look realistic. Like, that looks like real flowers to me. I don't know. And then it looks like we might have a really cool, what do they call it? I'm drawing a blank. Bookshelf or shelves. I saw all the newspaper and I just got lost with where my mind was going of what I was looking at. I have no idea what she's making here. Looks like a lot of work though, a lot of steps involved. Okay, so definitely some type of moon. Oh, it's a jewelry tray. Oh, that's cute. Wow. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.